Well, I apologize. I neglected to do some filming last time I worked on this. So, actually it's together. I've used the pale gray for the back. So let me just say, what you do with the sides is you put your ruler, actually that's a little bit further, it should be like that, a 1/4 inch above each of these points. So of course, like me, none of mine is exactly right. Those are all like right on point. That one missed a little, that one is. But to cut off the points of the white squares, you're putting a ruler 1/4 inch above these points and then cutting off the tops of the white squares. Then it's just a matter of laying your border right on top of that line and sewing it. So you're doing the two sides that way, the two side borders, and then you're just taking another jelly roll strip and placing it on the two edges. I did this one first, and then I did it on this side, and you're cutting it off along your line, just like you cut off this one. You're putting the ruler along this line here. Once you press it, press your border out, and then you're putting your ruler here and cutting off the excess on each end. And it's the same with this. When you sew this on, taking your ruler along here and cutting it off, and putting your ruler along here and cutting off the other end. So it's together. I just turned it right side out. I need to press it, and then I will be doing my seams. So there we go, and it's done. It's all put together. I decided not to do a 1/4 inch seam like I did on this one. Sometimes I think without it, it looks better without it, and just doing around the border. So that's what I did. And this is the back. So it has, it has all the big diamonds in it. So that's how I quilted it on the back, and I think that's just fine. So there we go. Another Christmas table runner for sale. So these big ones I'm actually going to be asking $30 for. This one, and I'm going to get out my flying geese because I think that's probably about the same size as well. So there we go. I like it.